Welcome to another GNCRC video. Today, guys, we have the Dementor. This is the V1 on the workbench. And the reason why I'm doing this video because I keep getting a bunch of people asking questions about how am I able to get my electronics in here and my battery, and you really don't see it. So I'll just give you the setup that I'm gonna give you the one I was running and what I am running now, and then I got a quick unboxing I'm gonna do. So originally I was running a V1 FuryTech ESC. This is one of the first ones that came out. This is a case I bought for it. And of course, on my SEX24s, majority of them I try to run this micro ESC. And this is with my Noble NB4. And then I use the 182S battery by Palm Power. These are like really small. Just recently, I upgraded this to a Pro. And it's just kind of in there. I got it with double-side tape. I need to redo it because it's coming down just a little bit. And I'm running that receiver. And with that receiver, I need to take it back out of there and put a case on it. I just hadn't had time to take it out yet. Put a case on it. So that's how I fit my electronics. This battery basically just fits in like so. And I just kind of plug it up and you really don't see it that much. The wire doesn't really hang out like that, but this is just giving you an example of how it would look. Now that I put this Pro in here, I did a battery upgrade because these are actually 2S batteries. We're gonna unbox this package, guys, and before I do, I would like for you guys, if you don't mind, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and the notification bell. That way you guys will be notified when I do put out a new video. And thanks ahead of time for all the support, guys. And if you guys need a handy dandy unboxing knife for your YouTube channel, or just need an everyday carry knife, go down below and look at the links. You'll see a link to some knives. Go ahead and grab yourself one. Okay, let's get into this unpackaging. So guys, these batteries are by Palm Beach as well, Palm Beach Bots. I love how these companies are throwing in these candies. That's pretty cool. These are gonna be 3S 45C, 180 milliamps as well. So let's go ahead and unbox one of these and see what they look like. There you go, a little bit thicker, just an additional cell. Of course, this is a 2S versus a 3S. Really like that small packaging. Okay, fellas, let's just see how well these fit. This is the 3S once again, 2S, I'm sorry, versus a 3S. It's a little bit wider, just an additional cell. Let's see how well this fits. I consider that a great fit. It's not gonna go anywhere. It is in there. So this is the way I put all my electronics in my Dementor. We're gonna get this thing on the course next weekend. Try these batteries out. I can't wait to see how they perform. Till next time, guys, this is GNCRC. Thanks for watching.